welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a really exciting video, but really stressful video for me. So as you guys know, I'm moving into my college apartment in a few weeks. I was supposed to move in August 27th. However, I'm now moving in August 22nd. So for those of you who don't know my time, that is Sunday and it is Monday right now. So I'm very stressed out. I got my nails done today to get ready for that. However, I need to clean out my closet. My closet is a mess and basically my whole room is a mess because I'm moving and I've never moved before. However, my closet really needs to be cleaned out. I'm basically gonna get rid of a lot of stuff just to have like a fresh start. I am not trying to brag in any way. I am so thankful for all the clothes that I do have, and please know that that doesn't go unnoticed. Everything I am getting rid of, I am either giving to someone I know needs them or giving to some of my friends, so please keep that in mind. With all that being said, if you guys like the video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for my giveaway that's coming soon, and let's get into the video. Okay, so this is what my closet looks like right now. It is very messy and needs to be cleaned out so much. I have like so much stuff down here and so much stuff up there as well. Honestly, up there isn't that bad. It's more of like all of this section and this section over here. So I'm gonna do a quick little montage of the beginning and then we're going to start. Okay, so first things first, I want to start with all my clothes up here. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of them and kind of ask myself if I could see myself wearing it at all. If my answer is not yes right away, I'm going to get rid of it. Number one, because then I probably will not wear it, and number two, because I don't know, that's just how I try to do things now. Because if I have to think about it, then I ask myself, like, do you actually want it then, or are you just going to tell yourself you're gonna wear it and never actually wear it? So that's what I'm trying to do to like avoid like keeping something that I don't actually need or am going to wear. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm probably going to do a lot of montages in this video just because I feel like there's not that much I can talk about. So I hope you guys like those, and let's get into it. So I tried to color coat my closet and I don't know, it sometimes works, sometimes it's like not good at all. It depends. As you guys can see, I'm not good at keeping my closet organized. I feel like my closet gets unorganized so much and it's just not good. But I don't know, I'm going to go through everything now and see if I would wear it. For example, I have this shirt from Princess Polly. I love it. However, the tag is still on it and I literally wore it I think once in a try-on haul and that's it. I love it so much, but I don't know if I would wear it. And like a part of me wants to keep it. See, this is my issue. A part of me wants to keep it because I never wore it and I know it's cute, so I might, but I don't know. I don't know. See, this is the problem. This is seriously the problem. Okay, I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to make sure I wear it. Okay, next I have this little shirt right here. This is literally one of my favorite shirts ever. I wear this all the time. It's a little like white crop top, which I feel like is a staple to have, and it's from Princess Polly, great brand. So I'm going to keep this because I wear it 24/7, especially in the summer. This is another shirt that I just got. It still has the tags on it because I just got it, but I love it and I feel like it's so delicate and like elegant and I don't know, very summery, so I'm going to keep this here. I'm not going to bring it to college, but I will wear it to like a party or something like that. All right, I'm going to montage this and just get rid of some of the things I don't want, and I will come back in a little bit and update you guys. I just finished cleaning out the top part of my closet. This is basically all like summer or dressy clothes, things I wouldn't necessarily wear in the winter, so more like spring and everything like that. I did get rid of a lot of stuff, so I'm proud of myself for that because I don't know, I just have a struggle getting rid of some things sometimes. Now I'm going to do the bottom section right here, and then we have to get into all of these and all of these as well. Over there I have dresses, here is coats, this is a lot of sweatshirts that I don't wear, and then I have like some of my friends' clothes over there that I have to get rid of, my old job clothes that I also don't need anymore, so I'll see if my mom wants them. If not, I'll get rid of them. And then I have a lot of sweatshirts that I also have to get rid of, so we still have a lot to go. As an update though, that is all of the clothes that I got rid of from up here, so very, very good progress if you ask me, because that's a lot of clothes that I had a hard time getting rid of, but I finally did, and I'm proud of myself for it. I just finished cleaning out this section as well. I got rid of a lot of more like sweaters and long sleeves that I don't think I'm going to wear. A lot of this stuff I am taking to college, so you guys will see that in my move-in vlog or my packing vlog. But right now I'm going to do my dresses over here and then probably work over here because like I said, there's so much stuff over there that I have to get rid of. And my sweatshirt collection is a huge issue, so we are going to tackle the dresses right now. Here is another update for you guys. I have all of my like long sleeves here as well, so the pile is getting bigger, which is good because that means I'm cleaning out my closet a lot more, which is really good. It was filled to like over here and over here, so that's pretty good. Over here we have a lot of less dresses, so I did get rid of a lot. I have a lot of dresses because I literally love them, especially in the summertime, but I did get rid of a lot of my old dresses, which I am proud of. And then I just have like more room over here to put new dresses when I get them in the future and everything like that. So that's what this section looks like over here for now. So right now I'm kind of at the stage of my cleaning out my closet phase where I just don't know what to do because now my floor looks a mess. Now that part of my room looks a mess, my bed looks a mess, and my closet looks a mess. And I'm a very organized person, at least I try to be, I guess I should say, and I'm very, very stressed out now. So I'm going to take a 20-minute intermission, and when I say 20-minute intermission, that means I'm going to wait for my friend to FaceTime me to keep me entertained. So I will be back in a little bit once I regroup because I'm very stressed out and it's 9 o'clock and I don't know what to do. It's a little while later, and by a little while later, I mean it's 10 minutes later because I got stressed out and then realized I should just finish what I started so I don't have to stay up till 3 a.m. even though I'm probably going to have to stay up till 3 a.m. anyway because I have so much to do. Just look at my floor, please, just for a second. It's really bad. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work on this part of my closet. If you guys can see, like right here, I'm just going to sort through all of that and see what I can keep and what I can't keep.
Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light, oh, someone's...
So this section over here is now cleaned out and I have all my clothes that I'm keeping and then all my clothes that I'm giving away over here and as well as over there. So I'm just going to keep organizing this section and I'll update you guys in a little bit. Now I am in this section of my closet and I still have like all my sweatshirts over here that I really need to go through. When I tell you guys I have so many sweatshirts, it's like not okay at this point, and I wear about 2 of them. So I literally have to get rid of so many. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about is my shoes. So I don't know what to do with my shoes because I live so close to my house, so my apartment is like 30 minutes away from my house, so I'm obviously going to be home a lot, so I want to leave some stuff here so I don't have to like do like bringing clothes from like one house to another because I will spend some weekends here, so I just think it's nice to have like some clothes here but not a lot. So I don't really know what to do. I'm trying to still figure it out, but I have literally stuff everywhere and it's just not going well. I'm also sweating. If anyone else cleans out their closet and just starts sweating, please let me know because I am literally sweating. So I'm going to do all of this right now, go through everything, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, update. So that's all my old Orange Theory stuff that I used for work that I don't need anymore. Then I have the stuff I'm giving away, some more stuff I'm giving away. This all has to either be hung up in my closet or in my clothing rack. Then over here, I have the things that I have to also hang up because that was like just thrown on the floor over there. Then we have this situation over here, which I organized. So I have all my colorful leggings, all my black pair of leggings. Then I have just some Orange Theory clothes that I'm keeping because I I think they're cute. Then I have my hats in here and my bathing suits in here, and then just some of my friends' clothes that I have to give back. Then I have my hoodies. I'm keeping around like 5. I have my zip ups. I'm keeping around like 4. Then down here I have a blanket for fall and a cozy like comfy thing that I saw on TikTok, and this light that I have to hang up. Then over here I have some more sweatshirts, but these are ones that I'm going to keep home, and these are ones that I'm going to bring to school. And then down here I have like my YouTube stuff, so like my ring light and everything like that. So then over here I have my somewhat color coded fall clothes, so like my sweaters and stuff, and then I have my skirts as well. Some are wintry like velvety like this one, and then some are like summery like this. Up here I have my like going out shirts and stuff like that, and then I have my dresses over here. I have my winter coats over here and some more winter coats and like jean jackets and like vests and stuff like that over here. I have to hang these up still, and then I'll update you guys after that and do like my shoes and everything. I just hung everything up, and now the next thing I'm going to do is just put all these shoes in these little bins right here, and then I'm going to clean my floor up.